Good morning, children. Today's class we are going to discuss model test paper 4. The first portion is the physics portion. Under the physics portion, the first question they tell you that a charged particle of mass m and charge q is released from rest in an electric field of constant magnitude E. The kinetic energy of the particle after time t is. These are four values that has been provided. You have to calculate it in equation and find out the value. And the answer is option A. So the answer is actually option A. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. The next question in the circuit shown in the figure. See this figure, they have provided you a circuit. There are two resistance R1 and R2. See, R1 and R2 are the two resistance that has been provided respectively. And here we have the 69 volt cell and 1 ampere current is passing. You have to find out the values of R1 and R2. What are those? V equals to IR, right? So from this you have to calculate the value of R1 and R2, and the correct answer option is A. Now we have question 3. While finding the refractive index of a glass slab, the traveling microscope focused on link dot at a position 4.322 centimeter. When a glass slab is placed on this ink dot on paper, the microscope is raised through 1.80 centimeter. The thickness of the glass slab of refractive index is 3/2 is, and the corresponding values we get over A equals to 1/0 centimeter, 2.7 centimeter, C is 5.4 centimeter, D is 1.2 centimeter. You have to choose the best answer among this, and the correct answer option is C. Now the next one, we have question 4. A galvanometer is connected as shown in figure. It has resistance of 100 Q. Okay, omega. See, what should be the resistance connected to it in parallel so that its deflection is reduced to half? See, this is the adjoining diagram that has been provided. In this diagram, you have to find it out. The four answer options are A, B, C and D, and you have to choose the best answer, and the best answer is option B, 91 omega. Now the next one, the square loop of a wire, side length 10 centimeter, is placed at an angle of 45 degree with a magnetic field that changes uniformly from 0.1 t to 0 in 0.7 seconds. The induced current in this loop is, you have to calculate the value of induced current. That is question number 5. The correct answer option is 1 milliampere, that is option A. After that we move to question number 6. In question number 6 we see you have been provided with 400 ohm resistors each. The number of ways in which these can be combined to have different equivalent resistance is, and the options they have given over here, A, B, C and D. In option A they have 7 different combinations and 7 different equivalent resistance, 8 different combinations, 7 different resistance, 9 different combinations, 8 different equivalent resistance, and 10 different combinations and 9 different equivalent resistance. These are the 4 options provided. You have to choose the best answer. And the correct answer option is option D. So option D is the correct answer option. After that, question number 7. A copper wire of length 50 centimeter and total resistance of 1.1 to the power negative 2 omega is formed into a circular loop and placed perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field that is increasing at a constant rate of 10. At what rate is thermal energy generated in the loop? At what rate is thermal energy generated in the loop? These are the four options. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. You have to choose the best option among them. Correct answer option is C. After that, next question, question 8. Question 8 tells you that a self-propelled vehicle of mass m whose engine delivers a constant power p has acceleration a equals to f by mv. Okay, acceleration a equals to p by mv. See, acceleration here is a equals to p by mv. What is the distance traveled by it? Assuming that no friction to increase the velocity of the vehicle from v1 to v2. What is the correct answer option? Question number 8. You have to choose the best answer option among the four options provided. Which one you think is the best answer option? The correct answer option is B. So the correct answer option here is B. After that, question 9. A beam of 450 nanometer light is incident on a metal having a work function 2 electron volt and placed in a magnetic field B. If the most energetic electron emitted are bent into circular arc of radius 0.2 m, find the value of B. You have to find the value of B. Question number 9. Do the calculation, get the values. And the correct answer option for question number 9 is B. That is, B is the correct answer option. Okay. After that, we move to question number 10. In question number 10, a monochromatic light of wavelength 400 nanometer, 56 nanometer incident simultaneously and normally on double slits apparatus whose slit separation is 0.1 mm and the screen distance is 1 mm. Distance between areas of total darkness will be, and the four options you have been provided: 4 mm, 5.6 mm, 14 mm and 28 mm. Which one you think is the correct answer option for question number 10? For question number 10, you have to find the correct answer option. For question number 10, you have to find out the correct answer option, and that comes to now option D. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D is the correct answer option. After that, we move to question number 11. See, in question number 11, what we have, a vessel has 6 grams of oxygen at a pressure P and temperature 400 Kelvin. Okay. See, temperature from Kelvin. A small hole is made in it so that oxygen leaks out. How much oxygen leaks out of the final pressure is P by 2 and the temperature is 300 Kelvin. Okay, you have to calculate the value, that is, you have to calculate how much oxygen leaks, that is weight of oxygen in terms of gram. See, the options are 5G, 4G, 2G and 3G. Which one you think is the correct answer option? Which one you think is the correct answer option? Which one you think is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is C. So the correct answer option here is option C. Okay, correct answer option here is C, right? After that we have the next question. That is, in the next question they have told you, question number 12. The next question, that is question number 12, they have told you that in this question, a conducting circular loop of radius A and resistance capital R is kept on a horizontal plane. A vertical time varying magnetic field B equals to 2t is switched on at a time t equals to 0. Then the flow of charge per unit time from any section of the coil is constant. Then these are the four options that has been provided. You have to choose the best option and find out the answer. Okay, this is what you need to do. How will you choose this answer? Question number 12, you see the correct answer option is D, that is all these options are correct. So the correct answer option is that all these options are correct, that is D is the correct answer option. Okay, D is the correct answer option. After that we have question number 13. See, in question number 13 what they tell you, which of the following statements are correct? See, four statements have been provided. You have to find out which among these four is correct. See, the first statement tells you, question number 13 tells you that smaller the gold number of lyophilic colloid, the larger will be the protective power. Lyophilic salts, in contrast to lyophobic salts, can easily coagulate an addition of small amount of electrolyte. Ferric chloride solution is used to stop bleeding from a fresh cut because it coagulates the blood, and the flocculation values of arsenious sulfide salt independent of the charge of anion of the coagulating electrolyte. These are the four options are there. You have to choose which option is the correct one. Read this statement number of times and get the correct answer. Question number 13, 13B. Correct answer option is 13B. Okay. Now the next question, which chloro-derivative of benzene among the following would undergo hydrolysis most readily with aqueous sodium hydroxide to furnish the corresponding hydroxy derivative? See, in this question you have been provided with all these values. Okay, you have to choose the best answer option. Question number 14, check it. See, all of them contains chlorine at either as one of the substituent. Okay, among these you have to find out which would undergo hydrolysis most easily with aqueous sodium hydroxide to furnish the corresponding hydroxy derivative. See, the substitution NaOH takes place at this position. So the correct answer option is A. So the correct answer option is A. So A is the correct answer option. Now the next question. See, in question number 15, what they mention here, that when vapors of X were gradually heated from 25 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure, the color was found to deepen at first and then fades as the temperature was raised above 160 degrees Celsius. At 600 degrees Celsius, the vapors were almost colorless, but the color depended upon the pressure was raised at this temperature. Identify X. You have to identify X. That is, what is X? Options are bromine, a mixture of nitrogen dioxide, dinitrogen tetroxide, pure nitrogen dioxide, and pure nitrogen tetroxide. And the correct answer option is D, that is pure dinitrogen tetroxide. Dinitrogen tetroxide, that is N2O4. Now the next, you observe the following given reactions. FeC3 solution plus zinc, we get product X. FeCl solution plus hydrogen get product Y. FeCl solution gives blue color with potassium ferrocyanide. Hence, we have to identify which one is X and which one is Y. See here they have told you that X also gives a blue color with K4 FeCN6. Y also gives a blue color with K4 FeCN6. Both X and Y give blue color with K4 FeCN6. None gives color with K4 FeCN6. Okay, and the correct answer option among this is correct answer option among this question number 16 is B, that is Y also gives a blue color with K4 FeCN. So correct answer option is B. Now we move to question number 17. In question number 17, what we see that an equivalent conductance at infinite dilution of an acid like HF can be determined by extrapolation of measurements of dilute solution HCl, HBr and HI. Can be determined by measurement of very dilute HF solution. Can best be determined from measurements of concentrated solution of NaF, NaCl, HCl. Can best be determined from measurements of dilute solution of NaF, NaCl, HCl. Which one you think is the correct answer option? Question number 17. The correct answer option is D. Okay, the correct answer option is D. After that, we move to question number 18, which has the maximum percentage of Cl, PVC, BHC, neoprene or DDT. Question number 18, and the answer is B, benzene hexafluoride, BHC. A mole of complex compound cobalt, pentamine cobalt 3 chloride gave 3 moles of ions when dissolved in water. 1 mole of the same complex reacts with 2 moles of silver nitrate solution to form 2 moles of AgCl. The structure of the complex is 19A. 19A is this one. Correct answer option is A. Now question number 20. In a cubic lattice, each edge of the unit cell is 400 picometer. Atomic weight of the element is 60 and density is at 6.25 gram per cc. Avogadro's number is equal to 6 in 10 to the power 23. The crystal lattice is. What are the crystal? Face centered, primitive, body centered, end centered. Face centered, primitive, body centered, and end centered. Okay. Which one is the correct one? The correct one is face centered. So face centered is the correct answer option that we see. Okay. Face centered is the correct answer option that we see. After that, we have the next question. Question 21. Move to question 21. In question 21, they have mentioned you that the rate of change of concentration of P for the reaction, half-life period of the reaction will be these 4 options are given. You have to choose the best answer option, and the best answer option here is C. Now the next one is question 22. At isoelectronic point, solubility of amino acids in water is minimum because, which is the correct answer option? The correct answer option is B. Molecules show intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now question 23. In the reduction of nitrobenzene into aniline, the intermediate is. These are the 4 intermediates we have. Which one is the correct answer option? Question 23, the answer option is D. None of this is correct. In question 24, to a solution containing Fe plus 3 Ti titanium plus 4 ions. When excess amino hydroxide added, a precipitate X is produced. The precipitate X contains the 4 options are there. You have to choose the best answer option. The correct answer option here is B. The correct answer option here is B. Okay children, that was all for the day. Thank you.